Alright folks, welcome to carburetorsandmore.com. Phone number is 832-221-4007. I'm doing something different this time. I'm going to show you what it's like, how we tear these carburetors down. It's nice, real clean, super clean carburetor. I mean, don't even know if I should do anything to it, but I'm going to go ahead and tear it apart anyways. It's frozen. So, recycling at its best. Making garbage run better. So, I'm going to take these things off here. Take these things off here. Get off there. And we hit it with the loosener very gently. Yep. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah, that's what the inside looks like. This one's real clean. It's got yeah, a second. Gotta peel the yeah, look at that. It's got some nice garbage in it. It's the way I like it. Let's see here. So we can knock this loose. That works. And that, got that going. Now, oh, hey, pop free. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. Now, got it. Burnt it up. Alright. This is a single barrel, by the way, Rochester. Some people call them barrel carburetors. I call it this is the small footprint one. This is the smaller pattern than the other one, I think. They look the same. They look the same. The only way to tell is to measure them when you stick them next to each other. Oops. Oh, finished loosening that. So y'all ready for Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's? Howling, as my dad used to call it. Because he'd be like the wolfman and howl into the night. Ow! Oh man, that's stuck in there. Maybe I should make a new segment of, wow, this carburetor sucks. It'd be kind of fun. Tear apart nasty carburetors. I tore apart a Ford Jet one time and tried to break every bolt off it, and it came free. I was surprised. Okay. Hold on a minute. Alright then. Now we got that thing out of the way. This broken free. That's the main thing. These things right here, not here, here. Look, look. Don't look over here. Don't look over here. Don't look over here. Right here. This, like foghorn leghorn. Come on, right here. See this? These break off. Sucks. Sucks to get them out. I'm telling you. It's possible. It's possible to jump to the moon. Highly unlikely, but it is possible. Alright, let's see here. Hand-powered tools. They're solar-powered. As long as I'm powered, I can solo. Never mind. I thought it was funny. Alright. Super secret trick if you don't have a pry bar. See. Or as a magician would go, here's the trick. See? That's how it works. You want to smack them with something like, what? I didn't see how it works. And they say, well, that's the point. Oops. Better than dropping the soap. Don't say that. That's not... Okay, I won't. Boss said you can't say that. I apologize. Got it. Got it. See, I'm over here working. I need to be working over here. Y'all just staring into the abyss of nothing. Alright. Go. That ugly thing in there. Come on. Freaking light, man, makes your eyeballs. You can't see nothing after you look into it by accident. My wife always says I need glasses, but I can never figure out where she's at when she tells me that, so I don't believe it. There we go. Oh, that was easier than I thought it would be. That was easier than getting fat after Christmas. Alright. Alright, we're coming down to the final stretch here. Take that off. And we can take that off. And that off. Isn't that nice? That's real nice. Real nice. Like I told you, this carburetor is really, really clean. I mean, it's just literally spotless. Nice clean part there. So powdered WD-40 is what that actually is. It's not really. It's actually leaded gas, believe it or not. Turned green for some dumb reason. Alright, now here's, smack yourself in the forehead. You gotta take that stupid thing out. And that thing, here's the fun part. You grab your little deal here, and you grab your bolt loosener. I believe I've heard said across the internet, or whatever you call it, your finger sweller upperer, as my dad used to call it. Finger fixer 2000, or 2, or 1, or none, or just a hammer, you know, whatever. We're not picky around here. See? One spotless, clean carburetor, ready to go. Now, yep, got that down. That's actually the big one. No, that's the small one. Yep, small one. Okay, now gotta get some. This peanut butter stuff here is amazing. It tastes delicious. Goes good on salads and stuff. Don't listen, it doesn't go good on salads. I mean, as Daffy Duck once said, great philosopher of the Looney Tune era, you can do anything once. as he drank a glass of nitroglycerin and jumped up and down and exploded into little bitty duck pieces. Yep, you can do anything once. Alright, folks. See, you get the stuff on your hand. Keeps the fingers from being sticky. See, and then when you're done, you have carburetor. It's all ready to go. Isn't that amazing? Yep, next time you see it, that sucker will be shiny and ready to go. Alright, folks, this is carburetorsandmore.com. Trying something new. Our phone number is 832-221-4007. Am I bleeding? Nope. Wow, that looks cool. Oh, sorry.